Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off this watch. So let's get started. And to turn off this watch we need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen, which takes a few seconds. And then scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, find the power off icon and select it. This one, and once you select the power off icon, you can press the start button, then press it again to confirm, and the watch will turn off. And basically that's how you turn off this device. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.